Hi everyone, this is Market Formula. Welcome to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. In this video, we'll be looking at the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. We'll be looking at the trading view recommendation strong buy for the week, and we'll also be looking at stocks that you can buy this week for high return. Anytime there are more buyers willing to buy a particular stock at a higher price, the price tends to go higher. And when there are more sellers willing to sell at a lower prices, then the price of a stock comes lower. Everything that will be shared in this video is only for educational purpose. So let's dive into it. This is the chart of the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market. As you can see, we are in an uptrend. The uptrend is still having momentum. At a point, the momentum started fading off. And when we look at the channel that was drawn from here, there's a channel here because every time you have a higher high, we connect the lows that created the higher high for an uptrend. We can see that this is an uptrend. The market found support on this moving average, and when it found support, it made a higher high, a slight higher high, came down for a pullback, and boom, we have a breakout. There is a major break of structure here, so going forward in the weeks to come, we expect that there will still be a push up. We expect that the market will still trade higher. We expect that the market will trade higher. So from what I'm looking at, this is invalid because already the market has broken out. We see something like this and it's broken out. So let's see if the market will still test the upper channel. And if I place my Fibonacci retracement, let's see what the Fibonacci retracement will say. Let me see and extend. Okay, we are currently at this is 1.618 retracement. If there is a break of 1.618 extension rather, then we face the 2.618 extension. So we expect that the market will touch 71,000 basis points. So that is all that for the whole share index. So let's look at the trading view recommendation. Let's look at the stocks and we filter by strong buy. I only want to see strong buy because we have a lot of stocks that are already doing very well. Looking at strong buy, we have 22 stocks. Looking at the buy opportunities, we have 71 stocks. You can see there are a lot of opportunities in this market. So let me just check the strong buy recommendation. What we have here, the first stock I have here is Transcorp. Let's see whether we can still see opportunities for entry in Transcorp. So you can see the market is already broken out. Market started from here. We were only looking at here, but see, boom, see the breakout. This is overextended. This is an overbought condition. Is the market still going up? Yes, of course. It's still going up. There is no trace that this thing wants to come down. But is there an opportunity for fresh entry? I would say there is no opportunity for fresh entry, except maybe you can get it at the low of last week. It's safe for an entry. That's around 14 naira 65 kobo. So if you get it at that price, fine. You can hope that market will still push higher. But the way it is, the momentum is so strong. Look at it. The momentum is so strong. So this Transcorp is not coming down anytime soon. So if you have it, just hold it as much as you can. In this you can still continue to hold it. Let's look at custodian investment. Custodian investment too is already broken out. You can see when we were looking at this down channel, then the channel was broken out. See the breakout. So it's still going up. If you can get it at the low of last week, open or low of last week, around 6 naira 70 kobo is good. Let's see the extension. Where do I expect the market to still push to? We still have 1.618 around 8 naira 55 kobo. So If you are holding it, you can hold it to this level. Let's see whether there's going to be a breakout. If there is a breakout, then we go to 10 naira 80 kobo. That is that for custodian investment. QTix. QTix is a good one. I'll still come back to look at the chart of QTix because you can see it's still fresh, just about to find momentum for a breakout. So if you can get QTix at, let's say, 2 naira 50 kobo, yes, you can take it. The descending channel is already broken, and if you can see, this is a pole, this is the pole, this is a bull's flag. So we have a push up, we have some consolidation, then there is a breakout of this consolidation. We expect that the market will push higher. Then if we have higher, then we expect that the market should go to levels like 4 naira 11 kobo. So this is my first point of profit. This is our first target for profit. Anytime we have a kind of structure like this. So that is for QTix. First bank. First bank is broken out. And see consolidation, push up, consolidation, consolidation, a, a pull down and a strong rejection at this level. Price came back and tested this level, came back and tested the third time. Let me draw the channel for this. This is like here, where's the highest price? This is the highest price. That is the channel that is broken. Then we expect the market to get to levels like, okay, we have broken, that's 1.618, which is at 15 naira 15 kobo. Then we are going to 19 naira 40 kobo, which is the 2.1618 extension. That is for First Bank. Then we see Fitsin. Fitsin is also a good one. Looking at Fitsin, you can see this. This is a descending channel here that was broken. Descending channel broken. This is the lowest price. So, okay, let's see if fixing we get to 16 naira, 16 naira, which is 2.618 extension. So if you have fixing, hold it to that level. But if you are looking for a fresh entry is good at 11 naira 40 kobo. NASCON. NASCON is also broken out, and see that a lot of stocks are already broken out of this their consolidation. Let me just draw this. Let's look at the retracement. Okay, we already had 1.618, 19 naira 10 kobo. A break of that, we exposed 25 naira. 25 naira is at 2.618. Cornerstone Insurance also broken out. Cornerstone Insurance also broken out. Okay, I think it's still valid. Look at the channel, the help channel. Then there's another channel here. Let me delete that. Let me look at this channel, dual lows that is causing the higher high. This is channel broken out. Okay, is it still going up? Yes, of course. But we are currently facing 2.618, which is at 1 naira 24 kobo. Then a break of this level, we expect market to test 3.618, which is 1 naira 58 kobo. Nigeria Aviation Holding also broken out. So you can see the descending channel broken. Look at it. So we are already at 2.618. So we are facing 3.618. That is 16 naira 45 kobo. So Expect that this touch 16 naira 45 kobo. For fresh entry, I will not advise that. Okay, this is not good for trading. This is not good for trading. Let's look at another one. Skyway Aviation Holding, also broken out. This could have been the best entry for this stock. This should have been the place where you enter. But I don't really like trading stock that stays too long on a spot. That stayed on a spot since 2002. September 2002 was flat, 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 flat. So I don't know how long it will continue to stay flat. So I really don't like trading such stock. Etana, Etana broken out. And see, we have already finished. Let me change my Fibonacci. Okay, so okay, we have already broken 2.618. We are going to 3.618. 17 naira 55 kobo. If you have it, that's a good place to take some profit. But is the market still going? Is this stock still going up? Yes, it's still going up. The momentum is intact. The trend is up. Everything is in support of this stock going higher. Is it good for fresh entry? I will not advise, except you want to just take it at maybe 14 naira 15 kobo. Let's see. Oh, this is good. I like fresh move like this. This will be one of my recommendation for the week. Let's do this will be one of my recommendations for the week. Okay, let's look at the downtrend, broken, 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 broken. So I think this is good. This is good. So if you have it, hold it. If you can get a fresh entry at 34 kobo, then first profit target is at 0 point, okay, at 72 kobo. A break of that, we expose 1 naira 4 kobo. That's one of my recommendations. I'll still come back to it. Case, okay, this is also broken out. All right, where are we facing? Okay, so next level is at 37 kobo, 80, 37 naira 80 kobo. That's 3.618 extension. Charms, charms is also broken out. All right, so can see this is good, but for fresh entry, no, no, no. We are facing 2.618 at 61 kobo, a break of that. Let's see if you have it, hold it to levels like 76 kobo. Yeah, 3.618 extension. The momentum is still very, very intact. Let me look at the monthly. Okay, momentum is still very, very intact. Okay, this is another good one for fresh entry. This is another good one for fresh entry. Okay, wow, I like this. So if you can get Champions Brewery at levels like 3 naira 85 kobo. 3 naira 85 kobo is good. Then your first profit target is 5 naira 60 kobo. A break of that will expose this level, 8 naira. So you are willing to hold it, can hold it to 8 naira. That is for Champions Brewery. Then Africa. Okay, this is also broken out. Let's leave this for now. Let me see. Okay, if you have it, you can hold it to this level. No. Okay, we have it. 2 naira 95 kobo. Good. Then a break of that, we expose 3 naira 85 kobo. What is most likely? Okay, let's look at the monthly. Okay, on the monthly, still good, still good. So you can hold it to 3.85 kobo. Fine. Okay, all right. Okay, so in the case of this, it's also a good one. Let me measure. Okay, if you have it, hold it to 194 kobo. 194 kobo. A break of that we expose 2 naira 94 kobo at 2.618 extension. USCN. Well, this USCN is fresh, but I don't like the fact that the trend is not clear yet. The trend is not clear yet. But if you can buy at 8 naira, 8 naira level, it's safe. It's safe. Naira. The trend is not very clear. If you can hold it for long, it's good. That's UACN. This is also broken out. We are currently at 2.618 extension. Can hold it to 6 naira 30 kobo for May and Baker. 6 naira 30 kobo is good. Fresh entry, if you can get it at 4 naira 60 kobo. Okay, this is also broken out. Also broken out. Take it to 3 naira 35 kobo. Lasaco Assurance. United Capital. United Capital. The trend is there, but it's not very strong. Can hold it fine. Can hold it to can hold it to 18 naira 85 kobo. And that's the last here. Okay. This chill PSC has consolidated Hallmark Insurance. So is also a good one. It's part of the stock that I want to recommend for the week. If you get it at 54 kobo, it's very good. This stock is most likely, let me check the monthly. Okay, most likely going to break out. Break out. So if it's going to break out, let's measure the extension for the breakout. Okay, going to break out, take it to 91 kobo. So that will be all for the trading view recommendation strong buy. So let's just look at few stocks that I have here. Let's look at we've checked chill PSC. Okay, we've looked at that. That's one we've looked at. Then we have Fitsin. Fitsin. Okay, Fitsin in his own case, the move is strong. The move is strong. So if you can get fixing at 10 naira thereabout, I expect that fixing should get to 16 naira. So if you get it at 10 naira, it's good. for a retest because this is a resistance. Resistance was broken. If there is a retest or if you are lucky to get the stock at this price, fine. But in the coming week, let's say like 4 weeks from now, I expect that the market will push high to a level like 16 naira for fixing. Let's look at another stock of fixing. We looked at RT Briscoe. RT Briscoe, okay. RT Briscoe is also good. If you get RT Briscoe for from 33 kobo, 34 kobo zone, this level is good for profit around that level. And take profit at 72 kobo, 72 kobo, 86 kobo, that's fine. Let's look at Champions Brewery. Champions Brewery. Okay, Champions Brewery too is a good one. It's still very fresh. So if you can get Champions Brewery at 3 naira 80 kobo, 3 naira 90 kobo, I expect that Champions Brewery too will go for a breakout. So this is very cheap. In fact, this is like the best entry for this stock. So if you can get this stock at this level, it will be very good for it, for you. It's a very good investment at that level. Let's see the extension. Profit target possibility. Okay, at 7 naira 85 kobo. So it's good. It's a very nice rejection at a major resistance. This is a major moving average support. It came for it, bounced off, came around it. Now it's touching it again, wants to bounce off. This is a very good stock to buy this coming week. Let's look at another one that we have. We have UACN. UACN. Okay, UACN too is a good one, but I think I've looked at this one before. If you can get it at this level, this trend is not too it's not too strong. It's not too strong. Except you wait for price to close above it, then it will be clear the direction the market wants to go. GPLC, check GPLC. Okay, we checked GPLC. Yes, we checked GPLC. We have Guinness. Guinness is also a good one for the week. Okay, and see Guinness is also trying to bounce off the moving average. Trying to bounce off the moving average. Let's see. Okay, market came for 50% retracement from there and it wants to bounce up. So if it's bouncing up, let's wait and see. 155, 155 naira. Expect that this stock will touch 155 naira. This is Guinness. So I expect it to touch that price in the coming weeks. The coming weeks is a good investment. Linkage Assurance. Okay, Linkage Assurance. For linkage, we are already at 50% retracement. So if you can get linkage assurance at 53 kobo, that would be good. 53 kobo, looking at it, the downtrend is already broken. Downtrend is broken. Okay. So we can expect that the price will get to somewhere like around 1 naira 8 kobo. Let's just say 1 naira. So if you get it at 56 kobo and take your profit at 1 naira, it's good. So what do I have again? Honey flour. Okay, for honey flour, okay, honey flour is trying to find good support around there. So this is no longer okay. Okay, for honey flour, 5 naira. We take it around this level and get out at around 5 naira. Get it around 3 naira 20 kobo. Get it at 2 naira 90 kobo. Get at get out at 5 naira. It's good for the week. So that's for honey flour. Mayor, okay, Mayor PLC. Okay, this Mayor PLC, and see what happened. It bounced up, pullback consolidation, and there was a rejection last week, a price rejection last week. This is a very good time to enter into this stock. What do I expect? I expect that the market, what do I expect? 5 naira 15 kobo. So for Mayor, 5 naira 15 kobo is good. If you get it at around 2 naira, even as low as 1 naira 60 kobo is fine for Mayor. And that will be all for this video. I hope you found one or two things interesting. I wish you all a very profitable week. Bye for now.